The next part of the game that we're going to program is the bird shooting his bullets. Right? And you can see here that I have 3 bullets because if the bird is completely powered up, as you saw in the intro video, he'll be able to shoot 3 bullets, one forward, one in the upward direction, and one in a downward direction. But when he first starts out, he's just going to go ahead and shoot this 1 bullet. Okay, and so that's what we're going to program now, and if we go ahead and click on bullet and go to code, we can start to put that together. So what is the question you want to ask yourself here is, what's the action that is going to make a bullet appear? Right? And so if you think about it, the player needs to press the space bar in order for a bullet to come into existence. So we're going to go here to events, we're going to do space bar. And actually we're going to go ahead and get the green flag as well, and we're going to go to looks, and we're going to hide the original bullet, make sure he does not appear on the screen. And when I press the space key, what I'm going to do is create a clone of myself. Okay, and now what we're going to program is what happens when I start as a clone. So I'm going to grab the when I start as a clone button, and what should happen? Well, the bullet, wherever he is on the screen, I don't know where the original bullet is. He's actually up here. I want him to first go to where the bird is. So I'm going to say go to, click on this little section here, and I can choose bird. And then I could say move 10 steps. And I can actually go ahead and put a repeat until in there. Right? And repeat until what? Well, I want the bullets to travel to the right of the screen until they hit the edge of the screen. So I'm going to go under sensing, and I say repeat until touching edge. Okay, so I go ahead and hit my green flag, and so what did I do? So I'm pressing the space bar, and I'm surprised because the bullets aren't coming out. And the reason why the bullets aren't coming out is when I start as clone, the original bullet is hidden. So I need to go ahead under looks and say when I start as clone show. Right? So let's try that again, and I'm going to press my space bar, and you can see that I'm able to fire bullets. Right? But a problem that I have here is that the bullets, they're touching the edge and they're no longer moving 10 steps. Right? But what we're forgetting to do is to delete the clone. So if I go over here under control, I want to go ahead and say after it keeps on moving to the left until I touch the edge, after that happens, I want to delete the clone. Okay. And the reason why you want to make sure to delete the clones is that Scratch has a limit on the number of clones you can create. So I think it's about 100. And so if you don't delete the clones, then you won't be able to shoot more than 100 bullets. But now, you see, I'm able to shoot as much as I want. Right? I can even hold it down. Right? And we're going to actually fix that problem in the next video.